I really hope. Please, please, please. But he's not gonna answer because it's 3 hours ahead in Georgia.
Okay, I don't know if this is gonna be a vlog or what this is.
Oh, you're not putting this in your vlog? What the
Oh,
frick?
heck I am.
Oh, heck no.
Oh, heck yes.
Oh my god, you just texted me. I wish.
Like it, I want it, I got it, yeah. I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it.
Okay, guys. Hi. I don't really know what this video is gonna be, but I think it's gonna be a mukbang. I didn't bring.
Oh, grab me.
Okay. Hi, guys. We got like chips. So this is gonna be a mukbang. I had people tell me questions.
Let me freaking rant, I swear.
So yeah, I have some questions and we're gonna answer
that's
them.
Selene. Sweeter. Yours or hers?
I don't want that one. Oh yeah, we also have freaking Starbucks. Shouts to Sophie because she got this for us. Okay,
Drink it.
I'm gonna answer the first question. It's kind of mean. It's kind of mean to me. Okay.
Okay.
The first person said. Whoa. Scared. Okay.
This is a catcher, bro.
Oh.
Kind of need to play football.
Like I'm catching these feelings.
Oh my god.
Okay, somebody said you're all pretty except Jazzy.
Oh!
He
jumped on it.
No, they stacked all of them and then they went and they sat on it.
Okay. How long have y'all been friends for? Like 2 years,
Not me, though.
No, wait.
I've been friends with them for like.
Okay, some history. So first it was me and Leslie. We would just like eat by ourselves, like
Yeah.
it
Like,
was like every single day.
by ourselves.
And then Monique came along, and then it was just the three of
And I
us.
left my group of friends for
Yes,
you guys.
yes, she did.
This was all 7th grade, though.
It was on 7th grade, and then the end of 7th grade, she
No.
came.
Yeah,
it
the
was
beginning of 8th grade.
Oh, beginning of 8th grade.
Because
yeah.
I didn't
we
have
got
any.
close.
Yeah, the group that I was with, I'm not gonna say names.
Yeah,
I just didn't like
them.
them. Well, I did, but like
Wait, let me cut that out.
I don't care. No, like I'm pretty sure they don't watch it. Oh wait, never mind. Except 2 persons I liked. Okay.
No, son.
The
You leave them
exception of
guessing.
people. So yeah, and then like 8th grade year we just got super tight, and then Miranda's not here, and Brenda and Vanessa's not here, but Vanessa like doesn't really hang out inside our group, but like, how do I explain this? Like,
Okay, so we have a group chat that Jasmine made
for my sleepover,
for her sleepover, and that's how
and those are like
she
my
got
best
close.
friends, yeah.
How we got close.
So yeah, I don't even know if that makes sense, but
Yeah.
It does make sense.
yeah. What do you use to edit your videos? I use DaVinci Resolve. Y'all don't even know what I'm talking about.
Why did I think you said Da Vinci?
I know.
Da
It's
Vinci.
like what?
DaVinci. Okay. Who is your biggest YouTube supporter?
Sheesh,
Oh,
man.
now we're
You
gonna
gotta
know.
say me.
You gotta say
Bro.
what?
Bro, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna stay
I'm
quiet.
not-
Whatever
yeah, me
you
too, I'm
say,
gonna stay
whatever
quiet.
you say, I'm gonna go with it.
Go
I
for
don't
it.
want you guys to be mad at me.
No one's gonna
not
get
gonna be
mad.
mad
No
at
one's
you.
gonna get butthurt.
Your biggest
Go.
supporter is her mom.
Yes. Okay, but okay.
Isn't it your dad?
Honest, it's probably my dad. But okay,
That's
I don't, or both of them, But like,
Huh?
out of my friends, yeah.
Bro, just be honest.
Just be honest.
I will
No
get
one cares.
butthurt.
No one cares. I won't get butthurt.
They won't get butthurt.
It's Sophie because she.
There you go.
She's always like telling me, like, you know, and then she's listening to my brother's songs too, so it's just like kind of funny. You guys are.
Sacrifice. You guys should go check it
Yes.
out. SoundCloud, Gabe G.
I'll link it below. I'm sorry, guys. You guys are big supporters too, okay? You guys are like.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at
You
this.
know what? I don't even care. I don't even care. You know what?
Leslie kind of looks kind of disappointed or something.
Yeah, you're
I'm
beautiful,
sorry.
I'm just not.
Sis
I
is
hope
booty.
I'm not-
Okay, somebody said Loki felt like you didn't like me.
That is her.
Yeah. Sis, I do not have a problem with you.
Ew, wait.
Honestly, you are super pretty and like you're such a queen. I don't have a problem with you.
Say-
Can you do a reacting to old videos? Photos/videos video. Oh, dude, that's down. I'm gonna do that.
Pinna. I feel like you took Pinna from me. I used to
Yeah,
say
I probably did. Honestly,
I
like.
used to say it all the time, and I still do.
Freaking
Freaking whiskey.
I know.
Why are you outside? You know, it kind of breaks my heart
God.
when I see dads working outside because I'm just like, do you want water?
Who's your best supporter? You should say me. Oh, there's Gage. You know, Gage, like, I guess.
Jay just out there, but like not as.
It's fine. No. I'm just saying. I feel freaking dry. Hey, dude, my thing.
People are so confusing.
Maybe boyfriend, honestly.
No boyfriend talking the bloopers.
Okay.
No, just so I can see myself
Oh.
in your video. Because people look at these things.
No copyright because I know him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sacrifice, yeah, a lot of sacrifice. Roll the dice, yeah, really,
That's
really
me.
nice. Really wise. I ain't tripping, I ain't like the other guys. I just ride, just do or die.
That does not sound like him.
I know.
I like this part. Hold up.
I like the middle. To be real, I ain't trying to pretend. Let me see. There's no pretending. My family I'm protecting. My friends I'm defending. The love I am giving. I'm out here winning. I knew was made different right from the beginning. You told me to listen to that song, huh? Dude, this song is so cute.
I just did was give a love. Everyone they only take a love. You scared of love. I don't blame you. You're the reason why I bought you my iPhone. Cause every queen.
No! Don't say that to
I'm
him.
not. I'm saving
Okay,
it.
thank you.
I freaking love that song.
I'm gonna put it on. I'm putting.
Oh, how about Love Yourself for You? Oh, I thought, yeah, I like this song.
It came out so ugly.
Dude, it makes me like so happy. This song is a confidence booster. Like he's talking about this girl and how beautiful she is and how she doesn't love herself. That's so freaking annoying. Okay, so somebody asked, what's your thoughts on SOS? And I don't even know what it is, the SOS Mob. I'm not even sure what it is.
Save
So SOS is like save our
our
souls. Souls, yeah. And I don't know. They said they're gonna throw parties, so you know you do you, but like go to college, you know.
Drop it there on your eyelash.
They're pretty cool though.
They're cool.
Pretty cool though.
Some of them.
Cello wants to have an interview,
SOS.
so they want to have
That
an
is
interview.
cool.
Wait, yeah.
My
put it-
name
and
is
put it on
Cello.
the-
I'm a jolly
Yo,
good
fellow.
Hey,
Already
look,
know
look,
that you're my weakness.
Whoa.
Every time you walk into the room.
Ah!
Oh, do it in my eye.
Oh, wait. I'm gonna do everybody's eyeball.
Beautiful.
Bro, yours looks really nice.
That looks so pretty.
Okay, there.
Eyeballs
There's a kitty with the glasses.
Bro, shut up.
Did you see that?
No.
Okay, somebody else asked, put me in your YouTube video. Depends who you are.
Sis, you want to be in your YouTube video?
I'm kind of
You
scared.
gotta be my friend, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, that literally sounds like Chief.
Bro, why do German Shepherds have so
Yeah,
a deep
if I
bark?
wasn't home, I would have been, oh, that's Chief.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, me? Oh, me?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You're about these movies?
That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Show it.
Okay. I'll show it.
Bro, I
We're
need to
not.
take a burp.
I should. I I don't care. Okay, what's your favorite Starbucks drink? You know, pinkity drinkity or
And then there's me with the strawberry acai.
yeah, she's the only one.
I like the mango dragon.
or
fruit.
frat.
Yo, that one's free. Oh yeah, let's talk about that experience. Our
Ice.
Starbucks. Okay, so
Yeah,
one time
that's
we went
good,
to Starbucks and I ordered a mango dragon fruit refresher. And
Yeah, and it was
there
before, like,
was
a game.
no ice,
But
okay?
it was cute,
No.
so we let it pass.
Yeah.
You guys thought that was cute? Oh my gosh, you touched my foot.
And then
It's cute.
And then-
You don't think he's cute?
Ah.
You don't think he's cute? I thought he was cute.
I thought he was
cute. No.
No, I like his personality. It was kind of
yeah, he's kind of
She had nice eyebrows.
Yeah, we saw him today.
And
Yeah,
then,
nice eyebrows.
and then he didn't give me ice with my, cause the ice machine wasn't working. So I was like, okay.
Yeah.
And then it wasn't even full, bro. It was like halfway full.
You should have gotten a grande.
I know.
But no, it would have been like
Less.
Wait,
And then I had to go to McDonald's and fill it up from their ice. And then today we went to Starbucks again, and he said, "Yo,
poisoned
try
us.
this," and it was literally
Water.
water, water with whipped cream. And I was like, "Yo, you for real?"
Oh yeah, and I tried it,
And
and I was
he's
like, "That's for dogs." I
It kind of
tasted
tasted like milk.
Yeah.
It tasted like milk.
Okay, I used to play volleyball, but I don't think I'm gonna do it this year because sis doesn't want to stress herself out.
Hey, you should cut that out.
And then 7th grade year I played soccer,
Well,
but
this
sis
is my
played soccer
ballet.
and I
So
danced. So yeah, that's a T. And what's your favorite chips? You know, Dynamites, Takis. I don't know which one's better. Like I like both of them. And Doritos, you know. Kind of good. Oh, if you're wondering, we're in like Leslie's like daycare that's connected to her house. It's kind of fun.
Kind of cool.
material.
Yeah, wifey material. Come
She be
here.
taking
You're
care
not
of
in the
kids
video.
or whatever.
Ooh. Can't relate.
Hey, what's her Snapchat? Her Snapchat is
No.
Oh, wait, no.
Freaking Pedro said, when are you gonna get taller? You know what? When are you gonna get smarter? Okay, you wanna fight?
Ooh.
Ooh.
When are you gonna learn how to play the? No, just kidding. 'cause I
Yeah.
told
When are you
him.
gonna learn how to
No.
skate?
No, when are you
Freaking
gonna
Pedro.
learn? No, he's pretty good at the guitar.
And I'm gonna send a picture back of you.
Damn, that's tea, bro.
You know what? No mess.
So you can play that game. Oh, I just don't. Why?
Cleavage.
Cleavage.
Not one. Look. Light. Camera. Whoa. Okay, let's see what
I'm prego.
Oh, you booty butt. I need a fart.
Wait, let's turn this back on.
Booty bump. Booty bump. Booty bump. Booty bump.
How do you work this?
Booty It's all watered down.
Yeah, I'm pregnant.
I'm pregnant. Whoa, it looks like I'm pregnant.
What?
Oh, there.
I'm sticking on my tummy.
I did like this. I'm like,
Earthquake.
Yeah.
oh, you're recording. Earthquake.
Why does every love song remind me of you?
We're trapped. We're trapped. We need help. Oh my gosh, she's coming.
What are you doing?
We're trapped. So much water.
Okay, finding treasure, guys. A Bible?
This is not a Bible.
Wait, my book hurts.
Why is it so big for just that?
Love you, when you love me, I can never love you. But when you love me, I don't wanna fall love. I don't think it's for me. Ah! You got it right, yeah. I'm about to conquer. I'm just who I think, and you're an imposter. I'm not gonna guess her. I'ma follow what I feel. I'ma pass a tester. I can do what they could do. Do for me a blesser. I'm a weather.
Bro, yours doesn't even look like a belly.
Okay, what if it falls though?
Must be nice to be skinny.
What did you do to me? Okay, we're done with that. But like a little.
Like Cleveland. I don't know. Cleveland. Look the.
Girl, you having twins or whatever. I'm just having one.
My baby's falling out.
Says I don't gotta be for that though.
Bro.
Hey, teach me how to handle a kid with this.
What do you mean?
Okay, like-
depends.
Wifey.
Okay.
No, depends on how small the baby is.
Or you can go like this, or you can like.
Well, I kind of know, like.
Okay, so a baby, you
you have to support its
Oh,
head
yeah,
all
you
the
gotta
time
support
and
its
its
head,
back.
yeah.
So when or just normal like this.
Like this.
Oh.
You look so funny because you have nothing in there. You know, she kind of scary or whatever.
Yeah, what the heck is
She's
she?
my baby. Get away. Everyone's finger.
And he's snatching my wig. Wait, gotta.
She gets in trouble.
This is her phone, so props to Leslie for it.
Hey, have you seen Matilda, Leslie?
I literally have Matilda. I was literally watching it
Yeah,
while
you go
I
like this.
I was so like.
Literally a video
You guys,
of nothing.
you guys,
What?
you guys.
I need a fart.
Can I speak now?
Yeah.
She's bossy.
I was waiting.
You're waiting like a teacher.
Hold her hand. Hold her hand.
Crisscross applesauce.
Oh my god, I was gonna say that.
Dude, right now we're watching a movie, but somebody said we should do a 24 hours challenge. Honestly, I kind of should. Is it right?
Bro.
No. Okay. But yeah, and then somebody else said, what's one thing that you did but you regret? I don't know.
No regrets, bro.
Hashtag no regrets. No regrets.
No regrets.
I regret being freaking anxious and stressed when I really had no reason to. Like, I really messed up my mood. You know what I mean? Like, I got stressed about everything. I still do that, but like, I regret doing that because it just messed it up. Okay, somebody said, how do you feel about going into high school this next year? And honestly, I'm so scared. Like, so scared.
This is scared.
Ooh, okay. How do you guys feel about going to high school?
Kind of don't want to, and
Gotta get some senior guys, you know?
Oh my
I'm
god.
just kidding. Remember?
We
are mature women.
I hope like we stay together and stick together.
we will.
Yeah, I hope we do. And I'm
Bro,
just
if
scared
we
to find my
graduate
classes.
like as friends, like that we talk, bro, that's gonna be so cool.
That's lit. But yeah, I'm like scared to find my classes because I don't think I'm gonna find them. I'm just gonna look like that freshman. But I think it'll be good. I think
I feel like it's gonna
it's something different.
It's not gonna be that difficult to find your classes.
I just don't want to go to PE. I'm kind of happy. But
Oh, you have PE, don't you?
yeah. Wait, don't you?
Yeah, just loser because the middle school you didn't have PE.
Oh yeah. But I mean, I did sports, so it's like I know how it kind of goes. But yeah.
Peace.
Hey guys, so I'm back home, but somebody asked, how did I start YouTube? And I don't really know how I started, you know, I just really wanted to do it for a long time, like ever since I was like smaller, like I vlogged like way before I even started a YouTube channel, and like I knew I always wanted to do it, but like I never built up the courage to actually like start one. Yeah, that's pretty much what happened, and like it kind of took a long time to build that confidence, I guess. Because like you're putting yourself out there and it's kind of scary, but it was worth it. It's like it's not like I get like that many views, but like, you know, it's still like a crowd of people that are watching you. And somebody said, I really like your content. Dude, thanks. Because like some people like they're like, oh, your content's boring, or like some people say that. And like a lot of people criticize, like I get it, you know, you're trying to make me better, but also they can't bring you down too. So like it means a lot when someone says like my content's good, you know. And yeah, someone said I was super pretty. Oh, thanks. So yeah, those are 2 questions that I didn't get to answer with my friends, but yeah, if there's any more, I'll probably like add them into the video. Somebody asked like, how did I start YouTube, and what do my parents think? Well, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning, and sorry if I look like crap, but I don't know. What do you think my parents think? I think they're cool with it, you know. They watch all my videos. I think they like it. They get kind of mad because that's all I do, but that's really not all that I do.
Yeah, it is.
Not really.
I'm just kidding.
It's not. But yeah. Go
Bye.
Go watch his video.
Just kidding.
I'm gonna link it down. I plugged you 2 times in my video, so be careful.
Really?
Yeah. Where's my paycheck?
Mm.
I'm gonna give them clout. But anyways, yeah.
Like my song in there too.
Yeah, I did. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share, you know, and hit that bell notification so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye. Ew.